So today we're going to take a look at widgets on the iPhone. All you have to do to access them on like the sidebar ones is just swipe from left to right like so, and you're going to see this panel here. As you can see, I have a few widgets here. I've got some like screen time, some stocks ones, some calendar, some weather, along with some top stories and other such things. So to edit this, all you do is click edit down here, and you're going to see that you can either delete some, so we'll just delete this news one here like so, and if you want to add a different one, all you do is click plus. You click the plus, you're going to see we have a variety of different widgets here, and we can also click into apps. So let's go and add that news one back. All we do is click news like so, and if we swipe along we can see different sizes of the widgets. So you can see we'll just put this big one back, click add like so, and there it is. There is today's news stories, and all you have to do if you want to move it around is just hold it. So let's put this Google one at the bottom like that, hold, and you'll see it go bigger, and just drop below like so. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.